At Crowdcar, we are thinking about the future. We ask questions and try to find answers. We are a small bunch of people, a network of different specialists, calling the status quo into question. It's about the future of mobility and how will it may look like. You meet many skeptics, critics, and people who think differently on your way of looking for innovations or even revolutions. You hear the status quo is good as it is, and so on. Often you don't get satisfying answers to your questions. That's why it's sometimes good to get to the bottom of it all on your own, to see where the truth really lies. Sometimes nothing else is left to you than to take the matter in your own hands and just try a few things. That's why we have a workshop here, to see for ourselves where the problems are, if they are really that big, or maybe only based on ignorance. So, we discuss different topics here, but we try out a few things also to get some of our own answers. Together, we built a complete car, an electric car, with everything that belongs to it. We did the construction, design, procurement, manufacturing, engineering, and so on our own to play through the entire process once. It was not that easy sometimes, but it was not really hard, so in no case it was impossible. Now we use the car as a basis to realize many of our other ideas we have. You are crazy! I've heard that many times. The basic idea was to have fun first in what we do while we are doing it. You do not always have to tackle the topic, it may also be fun. Mobility as we see it today cannot stay. It will not stay. Things will change radically in the next few years. That interests us burning, so that's why we are concerned with the mobility of the future. That's one of the reasons why we built a whole electric car from the ground up by ourselves. We want to put the collected know-how into a platform, a kind of modular, open construction kit for electromobility. A toolset consisting of hardware and software for us, but also for the community, because there are many who also like to get into the subject. Our first small step towards the future.